So today I'm going to explain you the data building process for if your target audience is like local businesses. So let me just zoom in here. Yeah. So the first thing you need to do if you're targeting local businesses, you can scrape the entire Google Maps using Apify, right? So we have used Apify Google Review Scraper to scrape the local businesses. Just add location here. If you want to extract reviews, four, five, how many reviews, just add the number here. And if you want to extract bad reviews, then just select lowest ranking reviews. Then filters and categories, lawyers, then plumbers, or whatever the categories, just select the categories and then start. Once you scrape the data from the Apify, then you can easily import the data to Clay table. Now, the next step is to like find the websites live. Sometimes, like local business owners don't have websites mentioned on the Google Maps. So for those businesses, we are going to use Claygen to find the websites. Once we find the websites, then we will extract the domain from it. Now, the next thing is like, for example, let's say if you are an online reputation company and you provide a service of removing negative reviews from the Google business or removing negative content from Google business or other platforms, right? So for those companies, your like value proposition is like we can remove negative reviews, right? So now the entire process is like we are going to get the most recent bad reviews from the reviews that we have scraped from the Apify, right? So the next step is to like segment the reviews into bad and good. Like we are going to use formula generator, right? So in formula we are just going to tell them like if the reviews are have less than 4 stars, then it means negative. If the reviews have more than 4 stars, then it means the review is positive, right? So we are going to use formula for all the three reviews, right? Then we are going to get the publishing date, right? Once we get the publishing date, then what we'll do, we will use GPT-4 mini to figure out like which is the most recent review based on the publishing date, right? Then we are going to use merge column to get the bad review text, like what exactly people like someone has left in the review, right? So we are going to extract the exact review that we figured out, right? Then comes again we are going to use merge columns to get the reviewer name because we are going to use that reviewer name in our email copywriting. Then we are going to use normalize the reviewer names and then their star rating as well. Once we have done that, then we are going to segment our list into two categories: companies with greater than 4.5 stars, companies with less than 4.5 stars, right? Then we will use Apollo to find people, right? So there are two tables: less than 4.5, greater than 4.5. Then we are going to use the right to other table to get all the company level data into the leads level data. So company name, domain, master review name, search page, full name, first name, things like that, job title. Once we have that data, then we are going to do waterfall enrichment. So first we will run find email, lead magic, ICUs. Similarly, to find the verified email addresses. Now, if we don't get any email using find email and waterfall enrichment, then what we are going to do? We are going to write to other table, right? And then we will dedupe the domain so that we do not get any duplicates. Now we are going to use again Claygen to find the owners, right? So sometimes what happens is like Apollo does not have a lot of data of local business owners, right? So that's why we are going to use Claygen to find the full name of the local, like owners of the local business area, and we will keep it at two owners per company. Now we are going to use lookup so that we do not have duplicate owners name in the table, right? Then right to other table owner one, owner two. Then we are going to again use the same waterfall attachment process, find email and then the waterfall. If we again do not get any work email of the owners, then what we are going to do is like we will again write to other table to the other table, and then we will use Claygen to find the company email address, right? Because we do not want to lose the data, lose the leads, right? So if we don't find any work emails, then we are going to find the company emails. Once we find the company emails, we are going to use ZeroBounce to validate the emails and then push it to the Smartlead or instantly, whatever it is. So yeah.